Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add PayPal on Temu. So firstly open up Temu app. Here go to profile icon located on bottom. Now tap on setting icon located on top right corner. So here tap on your payment method. So here tap on add a credit or debit card. Simply tap on it. Now you can add your card number, expiration date, CVV code, whatever it is asking for. Once you're done, you can add successfully your PayPal account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.